Hello everyone. Today I will be teaching you how to solve this Rubik's Cube. First of all, you have to hold your cube like this. Not like this and not like this, okay? So now, this layer is on the right side, so it's called R dot upwards it's R. And downwards it's R dash. R. R dash. It's L dash and downwards it's L. This layer is on the left, so it's called L. Upwards, things are totally opposite on the opposite sides. This layer is at the top, up. So it's called U. U dash. This layer is downwards, so it's called D. D dash. This layer is on the front, so it's called F. F dash. So now let's scramble this. Okay, just choose which layer you want to make. I choose yellow. Over here I need a piece which is yellow, red, blue. Yellow, red, blue. Here is that piece. This piece should be over here. So see what I do. So this piece is in its right position. Likewise, you have to complete this first layer. So now you can see that all your first layer is completed. Twist your cube and search for center pieces that don't have white in them, as the white is the center. So now, as you can see, this orange-green piece doesn't have white, so we will choose this. As green is at the top, so we will take this green under the green center. Under it's orange, so we have to see whether orange is on the left side or the right side. It's on the right side, so we would be turning it to the opposite side and moving the right side down like this. Then turn it back, and they are also back. Then fix this piece on its position like this. Same strategy to make this whole second layer. Now for the third layer, turn your cube again. Now you will see a plus over here. If not, there might be some other cases, but in all cases you have to apply this algorithm until you make a plus. Now you have to see which pieces are matching with their center. My left and right are matching, you left and back could also be matching. Now you have to apply this algorithm. Now you can see my left and back pieces are matching with their centers, so you have to apply the same algorithm again. Now you can see all my center pieces are matching with their centers. Now you have to see if your corner pieces are matching or not. You have to check all one by one like I am checking. My blue-red-white piece is matching, no matter where the colors are, but all three colors are present, so it's on right position. No other piece is matching, so I will keep this piece on the right and front layer of my cube and apply this algorithm. Now you can see all the colors of my corner pieces are matching but not in their exact places. So I will apply this algorithm until all your pieces don't align. So now, it's solved. Subscribe for more.